Ali, half a day, and hello. I made another pumpkin recipe. It's called nan guabing. The ingredients are 1 can of pumpkin puree or half winter squash or pumpkin, 2 cups of glutinous rice flour, a 1/4 cup of cane sugar or coconut sugar, 2/3 cups of sweetened red bean paste, which is optional, 1.5 cup of toasted sesame seeds, also optional, and of course oil for frying. The recipe also mentions that if your pumpkin is a little too wet, you might need to add more flour. I just let it sit in the open so it can kind of dry up a little bit to form more of like a dough texture. After setting up the dough, I shape both the filling and the dough into balls. This makes it easier for the pumpkin dough to fold in the filling. This also applies to the sweet red bean paste. After patting them into discs, I then begin the fun part. Pat the patties on the sesame seeds. I fried them on a oiled cast iron skillet over medium-low heat, 3 minutes each side. These turned out really delicious. If you like mochi and sweet potato, especially purple sweet potato, I think you'll enjoy this.